So in this video, I want to cover two jobs that are immediately hiring, and these jobs are going to be in tech support, so you could get paid for doing tech support. So I'm going to be getting into that, so be sure to stick around to the very end while I go through these two new job opportunities here again. One is going to be a support specialist, and the other is going to be a technical support specialist, and these are both going to be full-time jobs that can pay you some really good money. Also, before I get into those jobs, I want to show you guys, this is user interviews, and this is actually where you can share your opinions and you get paid to do so. So user interviews is where you could do like studies, surveys, and you get paid for doing so. So for example, here you can see some screenshots of surveys and what they were paying. So to test an online banking experience, this was paying $75 for just 30 minutes of your time. Work in a startup, help us build a tool for you, $50 for 45 minutes of your time. Another one here, influence the future of HR and financial software, $125 for 60 minutes of your time. And they had over 90,000 participants last year. They deliver these surveys straight to your inbox, so you don't necessarily have to go through searching for them. And every month they have just about 2,500 new studies launched. And the average study here pays around $50, and the average study is also not going to take you an hour. It's going to take you way less, so you could be earning upwards of $50, upwards of $100 per hour if you're doing these surveys and these studies. They also partner with some really big brands that you already know, like Amazon, Intuit, Spotify, GoPro, Adobe. And just to give you guys an example, so you could do online tests and surveys, online interviews, you could do focus groups or diary studies. So if we take a look at online tests and surveys here, it'll give us some examples of what they have available right now. So for example, this is a research study paying $10 for 10 minutes. If you're a system admin, you could take a survey here and you get $5 for 5 minutes. Now, these are some of the lower paying ones, but if you scroll through here, you'll find higher paying surveys. So compare 3 websites. They're looking for feedback on a product that they're building, and they're looking for testers who would like to explore, review, and compare 3 websites. And for this, it's going to be paying you $70, and it's also for an hour. So this works out to be $70 an hour. You could also find higher paying ones here as well. So if you scroll through, you could find some more research studies paying $10 for 10 minutes. And again, some of these are higher paying, but depending on what they are, that will depend on how much they pay. For example, educators needed for feedback, help us reorganize a nonprofit website offering free education resources. For 30 minutes of your time, they'll pay you $30 for completing that one. So if you want to earn some extra money, then this is a great place to do so. This is user interviews. You can apply for some of these tests and you can make some money very quickly. Here's another one, high paying in-home product test. This is a pre-screener for men. If you qualify, you'll be sent a link with a full set of screening questions. And this is for a personal, or for you to test a personal care item. And for just 10 minutes of your time, they're paying you $300. So again, from time to time, if you scroll through here, you'll find some really high paying surveys in this website, user interviews. Now, with that said, one of the first jobs I want to take a look at today is actually from user interviews, but this is a regular career. And this is going to be working as a support specialist. So this is the position right here. It's fully remote within the US. And a support specialist here, this is what you'll be doing. So you'll be an advocate for their users. You'll answer all support questions that come through their ticketing system, which include topics such as how to use their product, how to participate, where to locate participant incentive payments, research, study participation issues, and you'll be an expert in the user experience and be able to identify where any gaps are in that experience. Primary responsibilities in this support specialist position would be to manage all support tickets, collaborate with project coordinators on escalated support issues, track insights, digest feedback, and identify potential improvements to their user experience, manage incentive payments, manage account reviews, update support pages according to new product updates, assist with live chat support when necessary, and provide coverage on holidays when necessary as well. As for the schedule here, it's Monday through Friday, or Monday through Fridays rather, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And this is who they're looking for. So someone who is a self-starter, always a team player, empathy for users, and desire to go above and beyond, organized and thoughtful, thrives in a fast-paced, always changing startup environment. 1 year of experience in a customer-facing support role, experience providing support in a written format, so that could be email or live chat. Also experience responding to customer support tickets and chats with a high volume. So most of the support as you provide in this job is going to be either email or chat related support and not really phone related support. Also experience working or working knowledge of Zendesk would be a plus. Excited about the prospect of owning a role with a growing company. Bachelor's degree preferred but not required. And also this is a position for anyone living inside the US. Now, as for benefits here, this is what you get. Compensation is just about $22 per hour, and there are opportunities for overtime. Also, there is an annual performance-based bonus that you can earn. There are equity options. You get 100% premium covered for your medical and dental insurance, annual membership to one medical group, also 4 weeks of PTO to start you out, and each year you will accrue an additional day, unlimited wellness days, and these unlimited wellness days could be for a sick day, doctor's appointment, mental health day, so all of those unlimited, so really good in terms of that. Flexible paid parental leave, 401k with a $200 per month employer contribution. You also get a home office setup stipend in addition to a computer which will be provided. So they provide you with free equipment. You also get $250 to set up your home office. Also a $50 month work from home stipend as well. You can use that for paying for high-speed internet connection or any other services that you require to work from home remotely. Also, there is an annual company retreat. So really good perks and benefits here at user interviews. So if you guys are interested in becoming a support specialist, then this is a really great job to apply for. You don't need a college degree. And the only real thing you need here is a year of experience in a customer-facing support role. So if you are interested, link will be down below for this position. I would say go ahead and apply as quickly as possible because this job is definitely not gonna last very long. A ton of people will be applying to this one. Now, as it pertains to user interviews, probably you have watched my videos before and you've tried using them to do surveys and making money that way. But as it pertains to being an employee here, I was able to find them on Glassdoor. Overall rating is 4.7 out of 5 stars. So fairly or higher rated company on Glassdoor, but not really a lot of reviews, just about 28 reviews and just over 80 reported salaries. First review here is from an anonymous employee. They gave a 5-star review. Pros: poised to own a large part of their market, has good PMF and executing. Cons: speed of change happens inconsistently and product innovation could be faster. But you guys could read up on all 28 reviews here, see what other people had to say depending on what role they were working in. But again, I'll leave the link down below for this position. Also, another job that you guys can apply to here, which will be in tech support. And actually, before we get into that job, if you guys came here primarily because you're looking for remote work from home jobs, then be sure to go over to my second channel, which is this channel right here. This is the work from home channel. And this is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs I could find online. So every day or almost every day, I find a new job lead here, high paying job lead. Sometimes these are beginner friendly jobs that don't require a high school diploma, college degree. You get paid training. You also get a sign-on bonus. Sometimes they provide you with free equipment. And also I cover jobs that are really flexible in terms of the schedule, where you can actually choose your own hours. And then there are also higher paying advanced level jobs here that will pay you well into 6 figures. So if you're on the hunt for a fully remote work from home job, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, the work from home channel. I actually just posted a brand new job lead on that channel today, so you may want to check that out if you're interested in a fully remote work from home job. Now, next tech support position will be from Help Scout. They're looking for a technical support specialist working from Tuesday to Saturday. So here in this position, this is what you're going to be doing. So you'll be an expert in all areas of their product. You'll troubleshoot potential bugs, document feature requests, and collaborate with the rest of the team to help elevate the voice of the customer at Help Scout. So let's take a look at more details about this position. So it's a full-time position. In this role, you're only able, or they're only able to hire you if you're inside the US or Canada. And again, they're looking for someone that can work Tuesdays to Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And for this position, it is paying, depending on your location, but it's paying anywhere from $81,000 to $87,000 per year. This is who they're looking for: someone that takes initiative and ownership, someone that's eager to take on new challenges, someone that's good with working together in a team, also someone that has experience working in support or success. That would be good. Also someone that's patient, an active listener, naturally curious with a strong desire to learn, excellent communicator, fluent in written English. Your writing should be clear and simple. You should also have empathy and self-awareness, and they give you an idea of what the process is here in terms of the application process. So you guys could go through this, but if you are interested in this position, there was no mention of having a college degree either, or really a ton of experience. So this is another tech support position that you could apply to, and this one is a high paying job lead as well. Now I was able to find Help Scout on Glassdoor. So on Glassdoor, not really a lot of info here, but they have just about 40 reviews and just about 100 reported salaries. Overall rating is 3 out of 5 stars. And it does say here that 55% would recommend to a friend, but you could go through all the reviews here, see what people had to say about working at Help Scout. You could also take a look at some salaries here, see what they're paying. So a tech support specialist, based on 4 reported salaries, is making around $49,000 per year. Range is $43,000 to $57,000 per year. So that is slightly below what they have listed here, which is $81,000 to $87,000 per year. But you could also click this link. It'll give you more details about how they calculate their compensation here, and that may give you a better idea of where you'd fall in terms of salary if you were to apply for this job. But I'll leave all the leads or links down below to these job leads. Be sure to go ahead and apply as soon as possible, because jobs like this tend to go very quickly. But as always, hopefully these were able to help you land higher paying jobs or land your first remote work from home job. All the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.